Alright, I'm going to go over how to create the home page slider. So right now we have the home page set up, and you'll notice that the sliders just disappeared. It's not there since we don't have one set up. So how do we set that up? It's actually a portfolio category. It's not a product category, and I'll show you how to set it up. So let's go and add a new portfolio item. And let's call this one slider 1. Slide 1. And let's upload an image real quick. Or we'll set a featured image, sorry. And then let's go and set one. We'll say uses featured image. And then we'll add a category. Let's call this category slider, since that's the category we want. And let's publish this item. And then we'll go to our home page. And then we'll edit it. And then under portfolio category, we're going to want to say slider. And that's just basically saying homepage pull in the slider category. So now when we view it, we get our slide pulled in. So it's really easy the way that works out. So now we can go back to that portfolio slide, and we can add in some content. Goes here. So you have content, and then if you scroll down to the bottom, you have some options. So here's the link if you want. And so for instance, we have a shop item right here, and let's just go ahead and copy that link, and we'll paste it in right here. So let me update that. So now when we click on this image, it goes to the product page. Perfect. That's the external link option. And then you could have a full width slide. So if you wanted to have a full width slide, you would just type in true, and that would make this a full width slide. I don't want a full width slide though. We're going to go over some options. Let's go ahead and type in a price. And for this price, since it's just the slide, you would type in your currency up here. And then if you had a sale price, you would type it in here. And then you can have from text. So if you had a variation, you know, if it was like starting at 159, and then display text, button text, you can have a button there, and then that will go to the external link button. So there's a whole bunch of options you can have, and then obviously, as you saw when we created the slide, if you leave any of these blank, they will just automatically disappear, and it'll format like so. So let's go ahead and create another slide, and we'll call this one slide 2. Now let's upload a featured image. Upload this shirt. Set as featured image. And then we'll make sure it's in the slider category. Content goes here. Let's publish this. And now we have our first slide and our second slide. And then we have our t-shirt, and I'm just grabbing the URL real quick to put it under external link. Let's go and just type in the price as well, 55. So now we have our slide 1, slide 2, and then our slide links to the actual t-shirt. So it's really easy to set everything up, and then you have some options under theme options, slider, for adjusting the slider.